Take a ride in the 2017 Savana Cargo. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. The GMC Savana. All the cargo you can carry, a price you can afford. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.